How's it going, everyone? My name is Nick Geoppo, and I work for Milestone Systems right here in Lake Oswego. Our partners over at Reese Complete Security actually asked me to put together this video demonstration to show all of you at the OSFMA conference how our software is the perfect solution for your video management and security needs. We've actually been working with Reese for a long time. They're our diamond partner here in the Northwest and happen to be just down the road from us. They're extremely knowledgeable on our product. I could not recommend working with them anymore. So let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Milestone is the open platform video solution. What this means is that we really allow you the freedom of choice to build out your system however you'd like to using our open platform community. Some examples of different plugins that you can take advantage of in Milestone's XProtect software include access control, facial recognition, license plate recognition. But really, the true beauty of the open platform is that it allows you the ability to consolidate, customize, and really future proof your security system. Let's go ahead and take a look at some examples that you could use in your school today. First, let's take a look at a piece of technology called the Halo Smart Sensor. Now, I've seen a lot of schools use this sensor to address, the vaping and e-cigarette epidemic being smoked on campus by students. If I go ahead and click play on this footage, see the gentleman on the top right walking through the hallway. He actually has a CO2 canister in his hand. In case you missed it, let me click pause and go back on the timeline here. I can double click to enlarge and draw a box to zoom in. And you can see that he's actually spraying that CO2 canister at the ceiling, which is where the sensor is located, just out of view of the camera. Now, as soon as the sensor detects the CO2, you'll see that this bar lights up red. It actually saves as an event. Now, you can imagine having one of these sensors in a bathroom with the camera mounted in a hallway outside, since you obviously cannot have cameras in the bathroom. You'd be able to go back and review the footage to really easily see who walked out of the bathroom after the alarm was triggered and notify your school's security officer. This specific sensor also detects vape, ammonia, sound threshold, and vandal. Milestone also offers integrations with body-worn cameras. Here's an example of some footage being recorded with our partner Access's body-worn camera that has a pretty swift integration into Milestone. You'll hear the audio support on here as well. Now, with the touch of a button, your security officer can wear this body-worn camera, press the button on the camera, and actually activate both the sound and video recording. So you can imagine this being pretty useful for a security officer that is addressing students directly, addressing an altercation or breaking up a fight, et cetera, et cetera. Next, let's take a look at Milestone's Smart Search feature. Smart Search is all about investigating and finding the footage that you're looking for as quickly and as seamlessly as possible. Now, if I click on my search tab, just two over from the top left, I can run searches for specific time parameters. In this case, let's run a search for motion on the 6th of October, 2020 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now I need to select the camera. So I'll click on select the camera and type in the name of the camera that I'm looking for, which in this case, I have nicknamed the southwest corner, a rear parking lot. Now, I'd really like to run a search specifically for motion. So I'll click my search for button here on the left in blue, go down to motion, and click on new search. Now you'll see that 75 instances, thumbnails populate instantly. Now I can click on any of these thumbnails, come over here on the right, click on play, and see that each one of these represents motion. In this case, a car driving through the parking lot. Now, let's say that I want to get more specific with my search. Milestone actually allows you to search for motion within a specific area inside of the camera's view. For example, if this is your vehicle here, or you want to run an investigation on this specific vehicle, see when it pulled in or pulled out of the parking lot, or see who broke into the vehicle throughout the given day or the given time parameter. You can click this button here on the bottom left that says 0 cameras selected. And you'll see this red panel pop up. You can simply draw a box over the vehicle, release the box, and you'll see that I instantly drop from 75 results down to just 3. Now, the first clip that shows is actually that vehicle pulling out. The second clip is the vehicle pulling in. It's all about getting down to the footage that you're looking for as quickly and as easily as possible. Let's go ahead and take a look at one more search example using an AI camera that's actually manufactured by our partners over at Hanwha. In this case, same search parameters, 10/6/2020 between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. Click on my select the camera drop down. And in this case, the camera is actually nicknamed the northwest corner front parking lot. Now, instead of running a search for motion like we did before, I'm going to click my search for button and run a search specifically for vehicles. Now, this camera comes with a built-in analytic that has a plugin written into Milestone software that allows you to search for specific colors and also specific types of vehicles, as well as specific colors of clothing that people are wearing. Allow me to demonstrate. Let's say that we want to see only red vehicles. I'll click on the color red and see that I dropped down from, I believe it was about 2,500 results down to just 117. And as I click on each one of these thumbnails, I can come over here on the right and identify the red vehicle in each one of these recordings. Let's say I want to get more specific with it. I want to run a search for, let's say, white trucks. I'll see that white brings me down to 535 results. Truck brings me down to just 50. I can click on each one of these thumbnails and identify the white truck. I hope you've enjoyed this very brief demonstration of Milestone's XProtect software. If you take away anything from this video, it should be that our open platform solution is very easy to use, very reliable, and will allow you the flexibility that you'll need to build a security solution and meet the needs of your school in the future. We're looking forward to connecting with you, and you have a great partner in Reese Complete Security Solutions. Until next time.